Aku por waklat ka belenda te. Ye bro sangot yara eksenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah buat ufrai dia. Kam no ka cing cencar am. Tip syuk kan long kom na lada. Yap sama na mana ni.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda beke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban Pynkheiñ api na kabenda ka neat.
U Komisioner Sekretari jang Sorkar jela wo pe ikatnat ke kit ka ba u Sanjay Goyal ulong ba Sorkar kan Shah shu yek Shaka ki ba Khlem da yo Laisen na DTO bakin Kamai ha sor shalong mat kini company ki bakwa ban Pynkheiñ yek Shaka ban Kamai kin ha ban yo jingbet chwa na katnat transport bat ki ba Pynkheiñ gani kin ngan ha jing Shah Pynshitom ulong ba Sorkar kala dap thaw yek kendon ni ki rules na benta ban IY yek Shaka ni ki taxi na benta ki tourist ki bakwa ban ya daladi hi namar babon ki torres ki kwa ban shimwai tangki kali bat ki kwa ban yahi ula kuntui ki samla ki bakwa ban Kamai Shaka ne na banta ki tu ki bakwa ban IY bikin wal ki jingte ki babanya na DTO but unpensngo thu eki.
We have taken enforcement action against them, and we have shut down their place of operation long time back. And if in spite of that, if some of them are operating illegally, I will request the public to come forward and inform us. Let the companies fulfill all the legal requirements and then operate. And if we come across any such cases, the DTOs have been given very clear instructions to take action as per law. We have come out with the rules. The bike aggregator rules are already there. Honorable Cabinet has already passed them. We have come out with the other category of rules, which is called the rent a bike and rent a taxi rules, wherein people, most of the people who come from outside, especially the tourists, they want to ride the bike on their own or they want to drive the vehicle on their own. For that also the rules are there, and I will urge again people to take advantage of these rules which have been notified by the government rather than getting into. There could be an issue wherein there is a lack of awareness about these facilitation which the government has done. So I'll request all those entrepreneurs who want to get into this kind of business, kindly go to your nearest DTO office, get yourself registered, take a license and then operate.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.